My name is Lana. Today I would like to share with you my experience with the Wholesale Underground course created by Marvin Leonard. I took his course last December and I found it through Marvin's YouTube channel because I was looking for some free information and resources about Amazon business. I personally think that the course is really great. It takes you through the whole process of creating your own wholesale business, Amazon wholesale business, step by step from A to Z, and every step is very good explained. I finished the course in December, and in February I started my own business, and I also got my first sale in February. And last month's May was really great because I finally hit my first huge milestone, 10,000 in sales. Really happy about this. What I really like about this course, that along with the great theoretical part, you also get an access to the private Facebook group for Marvin students. Really nice community, very supportive. You can ask any of your questions. People always try to help, and Marvin as well. He replies to, he comments the posts and replies to the questions. When you're just starting out, it is very important because you have like millions of questions. Well, at least I do. And the greatest part about this course, of course, is that you basically get mentorship from Marvin, and you can double check all your products, especially your first product. Because when I chose my first product, I was really nervous. I didn't want to make bad decision. I didn't want to lose my money. So I sent Marvin a message and asked his opinion. My product was approved. Felt myself like much more confident when I were placing an actual order. And what I really like that Marvin replies very promptly, and he never replies like yes, buy it, or no, don't buy it. He always explains why exactly he likes this product. And if he don't like this product and he thinks you should avoid it, so he will explain. So basically he analyzes a product, and this is a great opportunity to learn actually, and then apply this knowledge when you make your own decisions on products. So if you look to start your own Amazon business and looking for some information as I did, I would definitely recommend this course. I wish you good luck with your new Amazon business. Bye.